Ever wonder how crypto can stay stable in such a volatile market? That's where stablecoins come in. A stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency designed to keep a steady value, usually pegged to assets like the US dollar, euro, or even gold. So while Bitcoin's price might swing wildly, 1 USDT or 1 USDC stays close to 1 US dollar. There are three main types of stablecoins. First, fiat-backed stablecoins, like USDT or USDC, which are supported by real money held in reserves. Second, crypto-backed stablecoins, like DAI, which use other cryptocurrencies as collateral and rely on smart contracts to stay stable. Third, algorithmic stablecoins, which use code and supply adjustments instead of reserves, though these are riskier and harder to maintain. Stablecoins make it easy to avoid market volatility, transfer funds instantly, and access DeFi without going back to cash. But remember, not all stablecoins are equal. Always check how they're backed and who's behind them.